Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anvi's Corner. Today I am going to discuss in this video the states and the way they celebrate Navratri. Without wasting time, let's get started. Gujarat. In Gujarat, 9 nights dance festival is celebrated on the first 9 days of the Ashwin months. The devotees fast for 9 days and develop themselves to the worship of Ma Shakti. Days and nights are marked by the performance of Aarti around the statue of Goddess Shakti. Navratri is celebrated with the famous Garba and Dandiya Ras dance. Garba is a graceful form of dance wherein women dance gracefully in circles around a court containing a lamp. Delhi has a large population of Bengalis, and so the city hosts some awesome Durga Puja celebrations. But for most part, Navratri celebration in Delhi are marked by Ramlila performance. Most Ramlila shows draw to a close on Dashmi or Dashera when effigies of Ravan are burnt. Punjab doesn't celebrate Navratri like their counterparts in Gujarat too, and instead of dancing and singing, they fast. Navratri in Punjab is celebrated very differently. For the first 7 days, women usually fast and pray to the goddess and participates in Jagran, an overnight celebration of chanting hymns and singing devotional songs. And on the 8th and 9th days, fasts are broken and 9 young girls are worshipped as the 9 forms of Goddess Durga. In Kolkata, Navratri is mainly celebrated as Durga Puja in the days of Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Dashmi, the last 4 days of Navratri. When you think of Durga Puja in Kolkata, dancing beats, going on a pandal, hopping spree, munching on lips smacking bhogs, wearing beautiful traditional sari is a must-do in the list. Navratri celebration in Himachal Pradesh take place on the 10th day of Navratri, just when the celebration are ending in other states of the country. The celebration on the 10th day are also known as Kullu Dashera, marking the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Various dance, musical and other cultural showcase also mark this day. The day is celebrated in Kerala in its own unique way. On this day, they worship Goddess Saraswati and students keep their books in front of her idol for 2 days. On the 10th day of this celebration, a special puja is done, after which the books are taken back by them. The 10th day is celebrated as Vijaya Dashmi. It is the day of Vidyarambham in Kerala, where young children are initiated into learning. Saraswati, Lakshmi and Durga are 3 primary goddesses that are worshipped during Navratri celebration in Tamil Nadu. An unmistakable part of the Tamil Nadu Navratri celebration is Golu, an arrangement of 9 stairs, each of which present each day of Navratri. Miniature idols of various gods and goddesses are placed on each of these stairs and worshipped for the during of the 9 days. Eventually, the idols are immersed in the nearest water body. Andhra Pradesh and newly formed Telangana celebrates Batukamma Panduga during Navratri. The festival celebrates the goddess in the form of Batukamma, the patron goddess of womanhood. So friends, these are the states and the way they celebrate Navratri. If you like the video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. Till the next video, bye bye, stay tuned.